Well, as today I lost 6 kilos. My goal is to reduce 10 kilos, so I will continue this amazing program. The taste is exceptional. I did not expect that this sweet candy can help me to lose weight. I feel amazing right now. Swiss Diet Kit helped me truly to reduce my weight, and I will continue a bit more.
The advantage is that it is only a small candy to be used with a glass of water that you can take with you everywhere, and you can take it any time during the day. It's tasty. I will highly recommend Swiss Diet Kit. The results are incredible. It's an exceptional product. I am taking one Swiss Diet Kit 30 minutes before the meal with a glass of water, and it is helping me to control my appetite and reduce my food portions.
The level of satisfaction is total. I thought that losing 10 kilos in 2 months was going to be impossible, but in 2 months, I lost already 12 kilos. It is very easy, and you can carry your candies everywhere. There are no restrictions. Just take one candy 30 minutes before the launch, and it will help you reduce your weight easily.
The taste of the Swiss Diet Kit is excellent. It made me remember the candies I took when I was a child. It is very practical. You can easily take it everywhere. I work in a colleague. It is very easy for me to take the candy before the lunch with a glass of water and to avoid to take some non-healthy food before the launch.
The advantage of the products is that you take a candy, you take a glass of water. It is effective. I lost almost 6.7 centimeters around the belly. I am satisfied.